Welcome to the Full of Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 3:18 p.m. That is Central Time. Today is May 20th, and I thought I'd kick off with the VIX index. It's really quite depressed. It's back below the 20 level, and pretty much exactly where it was at the end of March. So that is pretty much assuming that the trade war is over, and that we shouldn't expect any further source of volatility from President Trump. And it's also assuming that the tax bill is going to pass with no further debate. I think that's a big assumption. And with the VIX now at levels that have really presided for quite some time, all the way through from September until March, that's, I think, an interesting place where some possibility is that we'll see a bit more volatility. And this stock market was down a little in here today, but what we saw in the commodity markets, I think, was more important. The dollar index is back testing the 100 level and pausing almost at exactly that level right now. And then gold was up $65. So that's pushing up out of a very short-term range. And then we have silver, which was up 78 cents. So bouncing from above the $30 level. Platinum is back above the $1,000 level. And this is, I think, also rather interesting that Bitcoin, having dropped by about $1,000 in early trading, is closing out the day up $1,300. It was a very quiet day in the oil markets, and Brent crude was able to sneak out a mild advance, whereas West Texas Intermediate was down a tad. But natural gas was up 29 cents, so that's quite an impressive rebound. We've been through a very steep decline in orange juice over the last 3 months, and it was up today by about 11, so that's a fairly significant rebound. Arabica coffee and Robusta were in negative territory, not in an especially dynamic manner. So when we think then about what's going on here, well, we've certainly had some impressive advances in natural gas, because it wasn't just US natural gas was up, but European measures were also in positive territory. There's a lot of